In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tasks with Gemini. By the end, you'll know how to connect Gemini to your Google Workspace and ask it to create a task for you using a simple prompt. First, open your Gemini account. You can do this in your browser or the official app. Sign in with the Google account you already use for your calendars and to-dos, so everything stays in one place. If you have multiple Google accounts, it helps to choose the one where you want your tasks to live to avoid any confusion later. Next, we'll make sure Gemini can work with your Google tools. Look for the Settings option inside Gemini. In Settings, find Connected Apps. Here, toggle on the Google Workspace connection. Turning this on lets Gemini talk to your Google services securely. You may be asked to grant permissions. This is normal and allows Gemini to create and manage items on your behalf. If you see any prompts, review them and continue so the connection is fully enabled. With that set up, move to the main Gemini prompt box. This is where you'll type your request in everyday language. Type exactly this: create a task for the practice tomorrow, 9 a.m. Natural phrasing works well, but adding at before the time is fine too. Gemini understands common date expressions like tomorrow, and it will schedule the task for the next day at 9 in the morning based on your account's time zone. If your time zone isn't set correctly in your Google account, the time could shift, so it's good to be mindful of that. After you send the request, wait patiently while Gemini processes it. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your task was created. Sometimes this can take a moment, especially on a slower connection or the first time you use the Workspace connection. If Gemini asks for any final confirmation or clarifies details like the time or title, simply respond in plain language and it will adjust accordingly. That's it. You opened Gemini, enabled the Google Workspace connection in Settings under Connected Apps, and then used a clear prompt to create your task. Create a task for the practice tomorrow, 9 a.m. Give it a moment to finish and your new task will be added. If you ever need to make changes, you can ask Gemini to modify the task using similar natural language. Thanks for watching. Now you can quickly add Google Tasks with a single prompt in Gemini, keeping your day organized with just a few clicks and a short sentence.